Hello my friend and welcome to this Ad Exchange Club training. Now my name is Tasche and what I do is I teach people how to make money online by providing the tools, training, resources, and opportunities necessary to help them do so. Now today we're going to talk about the Ad Exchange Club, but before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and also do me a favor, give this video a nice like, comment, and a share because it really helps my channel out. And also, make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure you're notified every time I release a new video. Now, as I said, today we're going to talk about the Ad Exchange Club. And the Ad Exchange Club is an ad exchange site owned by Dawud Islam. Now, Dawud is one of the top marketers in our field, and he owns about 25 of these sites. And this site has been giving me such great results that I wanted to share with you. So what I want you to do is go in and click the link in the description. You'll come to this page here. You can watch Dawud's intro video here. And then scroll down. What you're going to do is you're going to go and enter your information right here where it says Step 1, Sign Up Free. You're going to put your name and email. And it's going to take you to the sign up page. You're going to sign up, enter your username and a password, and create your account. You're also going to go verify your email address, and then you're going to confirm. Now, I'm going to go and actually log into my account. But when you sign up, I must give you a fair warning. When you sign up, you're going to be offered a one-time offer for a Platinum and a VIP membership. Now, I highly suggest you take the VIP because that's what I've got. That's what I took when I signed up because it gives you going to give a lot of benefits, a lot of advertising, a lot of credits to help you promote all your different opportunities. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just go ahead and actually log in here. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then when you log in, you're also going to see a login ad from another member. So I'm going to see this one right here. Check this out. I'm actually going to go ahead and actually open up a new tab so I can check it out later. And I'm going to click on skip recommendation, or if you don't click skip, it's going to forward you to this page here. You're going to get another offer for an ad package. Check this out if it's something you want to pick up. If you do, great. If not, you can go ahead and skip down below. Okay, I'm going to skip that. So I'm going to go through this kind of quick. I don't want to go take too much of your time, but every page is going to have a banner or a text tag on it. You click these to earn credits. Okay. Scroll down, watch Dawud's video here. He tells you exactly what the site's about, how to use it. Here's your different membership levels. Again, I highly suggest getting VIP because it's going to give you the most benefits right here. Also, one thing you're going to get is 90% commissions as a VIP as opposed to 10% as a free member and 15, 20, 30, and 75 with the other levels. Okay. Right here it's going to tell you how to do things in steps. Step 1, get your free ads. You're going to use the promo code WELCOME. Enter the promo code for that. You're going to get a free ad package. You can earn credits by clicking on ads. You can set up your advertising. The viral code is going to actually allow you to add a code to your website to earn credits per impression. Your affiliate tools to promote the site. Details include your profile, information, etc. Go to support if you need support, and then you can also upgrade your account. Okay. So let's go back to the top. We're going to go over to the left here and go do each thing individually. So to set up ads, you're going to click Set Up Ads, and as you can see here, I have a lot of credits I can use. I have over 21 million credits here. To set up ads, all you do is you find the ad you want to set up. Like I have three left-hand banners here. I'm going to I can click this, and I can. What I would do is I would enter the name of the program here, the image link to the URL, and then the target URL, which is the link I want someone to go to. Click Preview to check it out to see if it looks right, and then click Save. That's it. Very simple. And all the other ads really are the same concept for setting up. Okay, the banners. The lifetime banners, of course, are banners that don't utilize impressions. They're there for life. You don't have unlimited impressions. Banners, regular banners, have limited impressions, and you can purchase those as well. Okay, I got all mine filled out. I have 91 solo ads, which is everyone knows what solo ads are. I can go here and click this to set these up and have them sent out. I'm going to scroll down here, and then I have text ads right here. I can also add purchase more here. And I'll show you how to purchase ads as well. These are all the text ads I have in the system right now. And then login ads, which are ads that show up when the member logs in. And then full page surf ads are like a traffic exchange. I can enter those here as well and have them added into the traffic exchange section of the site. Alright. Going back to the top. To view ads for credits, I'm going to click here. I'm going to go ahead and I can click these ads here to earn credits. So for example, if you see here it says 21,965,700. If I click this, I'm actually going to click it and I'm going to hold my my control button so it doesn't move the window away. Now open up, I'm going to check out the ad, okay, right there, and then if I go back to the Ad Exchange Club, and if I refresh this, it should give me, see, now my credits are increased, okay? And I can do that all day to earn more credits. As a VIP, however, you get a big jump of credits. I've also earned a lot of bonuses from some of Download's other sites, which is why my credits are so high. I just keep letting them accumulate. Then of course I can click the text ads as well to earn credits. Down below, you're gonna get information. You're gonna get see other VIP members here. So if you're a VIP member, you can actually enter this information here into your profile section, your details section, and then anytime someone comes to the site here, they can see your information. And you can actually add links to make, which will be clickable when you add them in here. And then you can also have your blog, your Facebook, your website, and your Twitter here as well. It's a great way to get more people to see what you're doing and to connect with more people. Founders bonuses. These are bonuses you're going to get as a VIP member. Paid member bonuses. These are bonuses that you get as a paid member. I'm not going to click this because it's going to show a promo code that's only allowable for paid members. So I don't want to give away the promo code. Quick Start PDF guide. You can use that to get more detailed information on how to use the site. These here are different bonuses that Dow is offering for different products he's promoting. The surf sets for credits is where you would add your full page ads. You would click here, for example. I'm going to click on Start Surfing, and then what happens is that it starts a timer, and I can actually earn credits by viewing different sites. So it's going to go to a timer. It's going to 8, 7, 6, and it's going to go down to 0, and that'll have 600 more credits in my account. That one said 8, and now if I click Go to Next Ad, it's going to take me to the next page, okay, and it's going to show another page. And it's just like a traffic exchange. The only thing is there's no captcha code you got to worry about. I'm just going to close this out, go back to the site, okay, and then view ads for credits. We've already done that you've already seen, okay. Get viral ad code. You can click this code, this here, and you can get a code to put on your website. And every time this is viewed, for every impression you're going to earn credits. And it's going to show 4 different ads. Every time it's refreshed, it's going to show 2 banners and 2 text ads. Okay? And you click these, you can get more information on these ads here. You can also change the way the ad looks by changing the border. Maybe change the color of the border here. And then you can change the width of the banner, and then clicking Generate New Code. And then it looks different. You can do that. You can change that whenever you want to make it look differently, to fit the theme of your site or however you want to do it. Okay. Next, under advertising, you can buy lifetime banners, banner ads, text links, etc. And all you do is you click on whichever one you want to purchase. Okay. So for example, let's say I want to click on, let's say I want to buy another full page ad. I'm going to click this, buy full page ad, and I can purchase with credits or with or for cash, and I would just click purchase with credits, for example, and that's there, and that's that. Now I'm not going to click this yet to set it up. I'm going to show you another way to get to it. So you can either click here to set it up, or you can go back to the setup ads section to do it. So I'm actually going to go and do, it's actually right down here. So if you see here, for example, there's there's setup ads view stats up here, and there's also the same link down here. So there's 2 places to get to it, either here or here. Down below is where you enter your promo code, where you can actually, for example, when we started the video, there's a promo code welcome. We can actually add that into a free ad package. Setup ads view stats is here. So for example, I would go here to set up these lifetime banners here, or even the full page ads, which are going to be down at the very bottom, I believe. And I have one more to set up. So I would do a click here, and I would enter in the URL and the name, and click save. Okay. Going back to the menu, gift slots. That's sort of like the old JV giveaways we did earlier in the early 2000s, which is basically, if you haven't done it before, they're basically like a list building co-op. And down here, we're going to go over to the promotion section. So first, the affiliate tools. You got banners, etc., splash pages, your affiliate link, which is a regular one, and one with auto exit pop-up. I'll explain the exit pop-up here in a second. Then you get shows you how to use tracking codes. You like it on Facebook, send out a tweet. Google Plus obviously isn't around anymore. Some splash pages you can use, banners, and there's emails and tweets and PS ads down below as well, and signature ads. Alright, so next we're going to go to the referral stats, and these are the stats of your referrals. So, like for example, I have 3 referrals right here so far in my account. P3 people have referred to the site. And then if there's any referral contests, they'll be in here. Free gifts. Gifts is basically things you're going to allow people to download, and usually you send them to a squeeze page to get it. It's basically for lead magnets. So I would go here, for example, and click Manage My Gifts, and I would enter, like I would choose enter gift name, choose a category. There's not many categories to choose from, so you choose whichever one works best for you. Enter an image for your gift, description, squeeze page, and support information right here. Okay. And I can, as a VIP member, you're able to get, you have 5 gift slots. I'm going to add some more. So mine here, I haven't used this feature yet, so I'm going to go ahead and add that later on. Add some 5 gifts later. But again, it's a great way to promote different things and help you build other lists as well. So remember, you're actually going to be able to, build a list by promoting this site. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. And buy gift slots, you can buy more gift slots. And then get available gifts, you can download things that other members have added in. So you can see them right here. You can check these out and you can download or sign up with these different programs. And then we have one of the most important things that I stress in all my videos is the download builder. No matter what site you're joining, never underestimate the power of download builders. Anytime you have a download builder in a site you're joining, join all the programs and put your IDs in the slots. Okay. You never know when someone's got to come here and set up under you. So what you would do is you would click the links or the banner here to join, and then you would enter in your full referral link right here. I personally prefer to use tracking links. You can use the raw link if you want to. I use Hits Connect. You can also use Leads Leap. There's a bunch of other ones out there. Click Update, and that's going to save that here. So all your referrals will then click these links and join under you. Okay. Make sure you get all of them filled out. All right. Let's go back to now, edit profile links. These are links that are going to show up on your referral page when you refer others to the Exchange Club. Now, I changed mine today, so they're still waiting approval. They're approved manually just to make sure no one's putting any type of viruses or malware or porn and things like that. Making sure all these are legitimate sites to have here. So I have 5 here, and when these are approved, they're going to show up on my referral page. Alright, so it's an extra way to get people to see what you're doing. The Edit My Details section, this is where one of the most important parts right here. First of all, put an image of yourself. Again, a picture of yourself. Picture of you smiling, not a logo, not a company, whatever, not a picture of a cat, a picture of you. Okay, that's the best way to connect with people is to have a smiling face. Your details are right here. If you want to change your password or email, you can do that here. Enter in your Coin Payments merchant ID right here so you can get paid. Receive referral emails right here. Then here, exit pop-up. If you remember, there was 2 referral links. One was regular, one was without the exit pop-up. The one without the exit pop-up is good to use for traffic exchanges and safe list places that don't allow pop-ups. This here is for the regular. So what happens is if someone goes to my referral link and they don't sign up and they click the X button to exit out, they'll get a pop-up from another site, so they have a second chance of getting their attention with something. This is where you put your About Me section right here. Any links you put in here, if you put a full URL right here, it's going to be clickable on the page. So when someone goes to the earn credits, the click add to earn credits page, which is right over here, or the view ads page. Anytime someone goes here, if there's any links in here, they'll become clickable. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the details section, and here you put your blog URL, your Facebook, your Twitter, and your Skype. For your Facebook, I suggest a lot of people try to put a Facebook page, and that's fine. My thing is that you can't personally connect with people if you put a page link in here. So I would say put your Facebook profile here, and if you want to put your Facebook page, put that under website URL. Okay. Otherwise, put something else. But also, always make sure that your Facebook profile is here so people can actually connect with you as a person. Okay. Down below, this is where you put your autoresponder code. This is the code that's going to show up on your referral page, so people can enter their information in this field, they're going to go onto your email list, and then they're going to be redirected to the sign-up page, and they'll sign up under you in the Ad Exchange Club. If you click preview to see what it looks like, this is what mine looks like right here, and they go on my list. Suggestion is that you actually use a single opt-in instead of double opt-in for this. This way they won't just in case they don't sign up right away, they delete their cookies and you might lose the sign up. If you have to use double opt-in, do something that's going to entice them to sign up. Maybe put something in the form or on the form in the code that entices them, maybe offers a bonus for them to sign up. Okay, just make sure that you actually have someone go directly to this page. Don't send them to a confirmation page. Send them to this page directly after they fill out the form. Okay. So guys, that is, and then of course if you have questions, go to the FAQ section, contact support, and Darwin and his assistant Hajar will help you any way they can. Okay. So guys, that is it for my Ad Exchange Club training. It's really simple to use. It's one of my favorite sites. I've been a member for many years. I became VIP as soon as I signed up because I saw the value in it. And it's going to help you get a lot more value. We're giving a lot more visitors, a lot more signups, and all the programs you're promoting. Okay. So with that, this is Kurt Tasche. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a nice like, comment, and share. And also be sure you subscribe so you don't miss out any of my other videos. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. With that, this is Kurt Tasche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.